Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. To check the Windows manufacture date, take a look at the window. All windows are equipped with the special sticker right here. At the bottom of the sticker we can find number and dot. Number represents the production year and dot represents month of production. In this case, the window was manufactured in February of 2025. It is crucial to know because if you are buying used car and the windows are younger than the car, it can indicate that the car was in crash. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.